Hi everyone. Let's talk about recommit yourself to the why that you have. Minsan, when you focus on the goal or your desires or your dreams to do something in your life, nakakalimutan na natin what is really the deepest why that we have, why we do such things, why we pursue goals in our life, why we pursue dreams in our lives. Nakakalimutan natin yung deepest why natin. So, we have to recommit ourselves again and again every time that we defocus, every time na nakakalimutan natin yung bagay na dapat natin gawin. We have to check our heart, because our heart, that is connected to the deepest why that we have. And when you recommit yourself to the things that you must do, you give your best, you give your very best, because that is yours. That is really what you achieve in your life, and that is connected to the desires of your heart. So every time that you defocus, every time that you feel go weary in the other way that is not aligned to what you want to achieve, to what your goals, and every time that your attitude is different from you before, you have to check what your heart is, especially when it comes to your deepest why, because your heart connected to the real why you do such things, why you focus on such things, why you give your best to the such things in your life, because that is your deepest why. That is really within you. That is really cannot taken out of you, because it's within you. So every time that you do something, you have to recommit yourself to your deepest why, because your why is give you the drive, give you the directions that your mind, your heart, and your body and souls that you want to be, to achieve in your life. Thank you everyone, and God bless.